right now we are entering to this street. It's called Chinese New Year celebrations. It's for the Chinese temple, and it is have only once a year in Penang. So, well, because when we're going inside, it might be too crowded and too noisy to talk. So right now I want to tell you about this history. And here, we are going inside right now. And you can see they're already blocking the road. There's a Chinese temple over there. They're starting from one by one. Let's go.
One of our favorite temples here in Georgetown, Penang. Normally there's no one here, but this time of year everyone's here. You should see that balcony, the roof of it, their ceiling is amazing. And I don't know, that looks like ice cream, but oh, it must be. There's the ice cream over there. Oh, that's pretty serious. Is that art? Do you want to eat it or take a photo?
So this is 10 ringgit, and I'm going to have a first bite. The first one is the chocolate. The ice cream is the top here.
Oh, okay.
Good. Try it. Okay, the chocolate first. Finish the chocolate.
Looks better than it tastes.
So my mission here is find as much of the street food to eat and then enjoying this celebration.
Sounds like your life mission rather than today. In this report, I share my estimated cost to retire early on $839 US per month in Georgetown, Penang, Malaysia, including rents, utilities, groceries, restaurants, and transportation. But we are all different, so you'll have to put your feet on the ground here before you will know your estimated cost of living here. But first, I'll show you around Georgetown, Penang, so you'll know whether or not you're even interested in retiring early for cheap here.
Those kids are so amazing, the dancing. Now I let you see they dance. So cute. And the roads, so wow, the roads on the street is so packed of people. Oh, they have a lion dance. See? How lucky you are, Daniel. The lion dance here, huh?
Yeah. How'd they teach that lion how to dance?
I don't know, you should see it, and the lion will teach you. Wow, we are in this madness place.
It's madness.
It's all packed. Crazy.
Yeah, I've never seen it like this.
Beautiful heritage building here.
That's a mosque minaret there.
Yeah, it's on 1808.
Yeah, 1808 is the age or year it was created. Nice little. Oh, this whole town is so charming.
This is Little India. You see the sign, and let's go. Finding my food. I'm craving about Indian food a lot because it's only $1–2 here. Instead, I want to.
Everything's $1–2 here.
No, if you eat outside, it's like $5, $6, $10 for Indian food. I'm like, wow.
Yeah. You mean outside of Little India?
Outside Malaysia.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Yeah.
It's local food here. It's foreign everywhere else.
Yeah.
India.
Yeah, it's local food
Especially in
here.
the US, total rip-off.
Especially in UK also, the Indian
UK.
food.
London Indian food, please.
Well, just come here, eat as much as you can. It's all delicious Indian food here. Indian street. So you can get the dress for $10, $15, you know. This is a bamboo masala biryani. It's a vegetarian biryani. And they have a non-vegetarian dish also. And this all here is vegetarian fish, vegetarian chicken, and vegetarian lamb mutton. Very nice.
This for veg biryani.
Oh,
Veg biryani for kanas.
very nice. But this vegetarian? No, but it is this vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
Soya.
Oh,
Soya. This is for tanga chutney.
yes.
Tanga chutney.
Larger chutney.
Coca chutney.
Coconut chutney.
Biryani special.
This is day 8 of Chinese New Year, and we are at the Hin Bus Depot, or Hin Company Limited, and they have on day 8 here, they have a celebration. It's normally a flea market here, I'm told, but today it's going to be a Chinese flea market celebration. So we'll go in there and check it out. Oh, cool. I'm already busy photographing.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. Oh, I love the way they're maintaining the colors, and even where the stucco is crumbling off the brick. It's very cool. It's like an art gallery. Maybe we could find some food. We're both a little bit hungry. All kinds of food here. Yeah,
And they have an oyster here.
Yeah?
Yeah, for 13 ringgit. One, 3 is 36. Have wine and everything. This is plain salad. For that is 13 ringgit. 1 tree, about $3. That's it.
We're in like a higher restaurant here. $3 salads.
This is my grilled chicken for 25 ringgit. Not bad. Someone stole my wedges.
One wedge. But now that you're accusing me of plural wedges, I better make your dreams come true.
We got our spot here now. We have this chair, marble chair. It's all vegetarian. Very nice. A lot of vegetarians here. Perfect. This is my breakfast, and we have a drink and 3 meal here. Total is 23 ringgit and 70 cents.
Yeah, so it's like $5.40 or something. That's one meal. There's 3 meals here, and a drink, whatever, $5.50. It's crazy. Love it. These has noodles, vegetarian. That's more noodles?
Yeah, there's 2 different kind of noodles.
Oh, so no rice on this one. All the other dishes have rice.
Yeah.
Nice peppers over there.
I eat noodle for breakfast.
Yeah. We arrived in Penang, in Georgetown, and this is like, it reminds me of like a 1956 Chevrolet automobile that's been totally redone. Look at these floors. It's in really good shape. It's very clean, and but it's an older building. But it's very clean, and the internet here is great. It's like 40 megabits per second up and down, and has fans and AC.
AC in the room.
In the rooms, yeah. And that's the second room there. And this is a kitchen. Look at these cabinets. Are pretty nice countertops. And it's a full kitchen. Has washer dryer. It has this old school tile and stuff. Kind of funny, really. But it's totally doable. I mean, for 25 bucks a night, better than like a hotel room. It'd be 20 probably.
The most important thing is this water filter.
Yeah.
This makes safe a lot of stuff.
It's fun though, I like it. We're just here for like a week before we go to Bali, Indonesia, but. Okay, I promised to share our estimated cost of living in Georgetown, Penang, Malaysia. Here is our estimated cost converted into US dollars if the two of us were to retire early on $839 USD per month in Georgetown, Penang, Malaysia on a tight budget. But we are all different, so you'll have to put your feet on the ground here in Georgetown to determine your cost of living based on where you would live, what you would eat, and how you would entertain yourself. The below exchange rate was about 4.4 Malaysian ringgit to $1 US when we were there, but that varies, so check the exchange rate. Rents. You will see furnished one-bedroom apartments in the range of about 1,000 to 2,000 ringgit per month, which is 227 US to 454 US per month, if we were willing to sign a lease for a year or more. We asked our Airbnb landlord how much she would rent us the place if we stayed for 6 months or more, and she said 1,200 ringgit per month. I asked what her highest utility bill was, and she said 120 ringgit per month. So we'll use her numbers, 1,200 ringgit a month and 120 ringgit per month in electricity, or 272 US per month in rent, and 27 US per month in electricity. Be sure to read my report on how I find perfect apartments around the world so you'll know how I am usually able to get better deals with my feet on the ground. Okay, utilities. We will estimate electricity at 120 per month, which is 27 US. There's no gas used at the property, and water would be about 6 per month. So about $33 per month for our estimated utilities. Groceries. Based on our time here and the money we spent on groceries, we estimate around $280 per month on groceries for the two of us. But that only works if you shop at the open-air markets for fresh foods, like the 𝗪'asi𝑡a market link provided. If you like going to air-conditioned indoor supermarkets, you could easily rack up another 100 per month or more. If you want to buy imported goods like foreign wines and cheeses, you could easily add another $100 on top of that. We would shop mostly in the public market where the vegetables, fruits, rice, and meats are cheaper, and only go to the more expensive supermarkets to get what we could not find in the public market. Okay, restaurants. If we went out to eat twice per week, once for date night and once for lunch somewhere, plus some street food, we'd spend around $40 per week or $160 per month in restaurants for the two of us. We would eat mostly in the local style foods in mom and pop style restaurants rather than the expensive expat style restaurants. Cell phone data. The cost to recharge our prepaid service is 60 ringgit per month or $14. My Android phone will act as a hotspot so we can both be on the internet at the same time when we are out of the house together. Laundry. Many apartments here have washing machines, but you'll see coin-operated laundries around also. We would rent a place with a clothes washing machine, so we would only spend another 20 ringgit or about $5 per month on detergent. People hang dry their clothes here. The apartment we rented has a clothes washing machine, but not a dryer, so that makes sense for us. Water. We would buy a new Jovan water filter about once a year for 265 ringgit or $60. That works out to be about $5 per month. Internet. Our home internet service would be about $30 a month for 60 megabits per second internet service. Transportation. The fun areas around Georgetown Penang are all tightly packed in the colonial era city center. Plus they have buses running all over the place every 20 to 30 minutes, which we would ride here. So if we moved here, we would just use Grab Taxi to get groceries home and ride buses and walk everywhere or ride bicycles the rest of the time. we estimate around $40 a month for transportation. Okay, that's the basic costs. A couple optional costs here. Alcohol is optional. The dive bar and alcohol source where we buy beer in Georgetown has beers ranging around 7 to 8 ringgit each, but you could easily double and triple those prices in bars and restaurants. So for the two of us, we estimate around $120 per month, since we would drink more at home and at the dive bar than the expensive bars. Entertainment, optional. We would budget around $150 per month for entertainment for the two of us. Okay, let's add that up. Looking here at the table, rent $272, groceries $280, utilities $33 a month, restaurants $160 per month, cell data $14, laundry $5, water $5, internet $30, transportation $40, and our recurring total for those basic expenses would be $839 a month. With optional alcohol of $120 per month, that would bring it up to $859 a month. And with optional entertainment at $150 a month, that would bring us to $1,109 per month. Not all of your potential expenses are listed in the above table. Visit Numbeo for Penang and add anything you spend money on in your home country each month that's not mentioned in the table. This is our estimated cost of living if the two of us moved here on a tight budget. To fully understand what it would cost you to live here, you must do an exploratory visit and put your feet on the ground. Our costs of living are generally much lower than a new traveler's because we are great bargain hunters, but there are a few people that live cheaper than we do. Never move anywhere until you have visited first personally to verify the costs for your lifestyle and needs. I'm not guaranteeing these prices. These are just my notes and estimates for the time of my visit and this post. Your costs will likely be drastically different depending upon your lifestyle and the time since this post. More typical expat living costs here range from about $1,400 to $2,400 per month. But people spending that much often have higher incomes or pensions. They often report spending more on entertainment, eating out, and alcohol. Many also have more expensive cars, houses, or apartments. Many of you will be unable to retire on so little here. I give example reasons why in this report, understanding why overseas living costs vary widely. Several other reports you should read include How to Not Fail at Retiring Cheap Overseas and The Two Biggest Risks of Retiring Early for Cheap Offshore, which explain why you should have emergency funds available for unexpected expenses. The full report on retiring early in Georgetown is available at the first link in the notes below this YouTube video, including restaurants, groceries, things to do, a nightlife map, where we stayed, visa information, walkability, weather, hospitals, social considerations, expat communities, real estate, visas, plus our overall retirement desirability score. Click the link in the notes below this video to get a copy of this content. Plus, grab a free copy of my ebook, How I Fired My Boss and Traveled the World for 13 Years. While you're there, check out our catalog of retired cheap reports all over the world and our hobby income course that we just released. Thanks so much. Hey, if you liked our video, please like, comment, or subscribe. Any of that would help our business. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.